Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today we have our Halloween Advent, and it is day 8. So, let's get on with it and see what we got. Tearing the sticker off, and here we go. I'm excited. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. That is quite stunning. I like that. And next we have our Lather, day 8. That was really pretty. So here is Lather's day 8, and here it is. Oh wow, who knew they would be so similar? Oh, look at that. Oh, I love the green. Oh, that's really pretty. So we've got that one, and there is a sticker, and here is the sticker. There it is. Alright, so let me get my lasers and hold them up together. So here are the 4 lasers. Right there. I can't decide which one's my favorite. I kind of like the ones with greens. But then again, I kind of like the blues the most. I don't know which one I like the most. So there's my lasers. And, not to be outdone, but I'm loving these colors. There's, oop, don't pay no attention to my pink string, it's my stitch marker. Oh, there's the Paw Plies. Oh my goodness. Look at all those gorgeous, gorgeous colors. They are fantastic. Oh, I love those. They're great. I'm gonna move my stitch marker somewhere. There we go. Those are pretty great. So, I hope you guys are enjoying this. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.